Good morning, folks.
Good morning.
We are here at the job site. There's posts that we put in and some more posts.
Hey, there's the boss, Kevo.
Say hi, Kevo.
Don't go get the salt to go.
So we got these posts going in today, and we're going to get some trusses going on. So sit down and buckle up and get ready. Here we go. We got Bobby here building in the blocks. Yeah, we blocked a lot of those posts in for the handrails. And listen here, give it to Bobby. He's got them screwed with those lag screws. Is it cold, Bobby?
Nah.
Nah, it's good today, ain't it? Other way. Straight up there. Straight up. Look at him go. Watch him go. Man. Look at him go. Just tie it together on the two end ones. And that's a handrail post. Okay, we got the 3 pitch angle here. We're gonna have a 2-foot overhang, so Kevin is now figured out if he marks from the long point to make his 2-foot overhang, he goes to what? 24 and
11/16.
24 and 11/16.
You have to measure at a 90-degree angle.
Yeah.
The edge, which is where your face is going, over to 24. Put your
Yeah.
mark. Then you can do like this and mark it on the long side, and it gives you a more consistent and faster way to make a mark.
There you go. Then he brings. Go ahead and
handy little
do.
framing square. These little fancy little lock nuts here create the angle that you need. This angle right here matches this angle. Those two lines are parallel. This line is 90 degrees, obviously, to this line, and that makes your bird mouth. It's where you set this sits on top of your wall, your beam, whatever have you.
And the reason we use them buttons is for a more consistent measurement. It keeps your square at the same measurement every single time, and instead of trying to pick up your square and hold it there, you just butt it into the board and go with it. Done.
Cheers, Bobby.
Hey Bobby.
Can you hire a mule to haul it off?
Hey Bobby. You cold?
Nah.
You cold today, Bobby?
No.
You feeling pretty good?
Yeah.
We're over here tearing the fascia board and the soffit off. Mr. Kevon. Prying it off. And Kevin built a little foot up there on the roof for this truss right here. Here, let me help you. I'll help you.
So easy to pick on and love.
Yeah, we love Bobby. That's why we pick on him so much. Good job, Bobby. Good job. Anyway, Kevin built a foot up there on the roof to hold this truss right here. Okay, guys. Bobby's down there fixing to he's fixing to get his drill together there and put a board on top. We're gonna move the wall in where we need it and square it off. I just want to show y'all, here's the wall on top of the wall, and that's the truss. That's how it's gonna be. Okay, Bobby has failed. Look at him sprawled out here like a big old fat whale or something. He looked like a beach whale. Bobby, what you got to say about it?
Huh?
What you got to say about it?
I love carpentry.
He said he loves carpentry. Okay, guys, we have got our trusses on here. They meet on this wall, you see. And come back here and put his two by 12s in for the for our rafters to set on. Got them nailed. Get up here where y'all can see. I'm walking around on these trusses, trying to teach Bobby how to walk on these trusses. There's the roof. He's having a little bit of hard time at it though, but that's what it looks like. We will make some more videos
You don't ever get it whenever I walk it.
once we okay, here's Bobby walking. There's Bobby walking. He's doing pretty good. What do y'all think? Okay, we will catch y'all later with some more videos, so keep watching.